Hi everybody, Greg here, and I'm going to teach you how to tune your ukulele with electronic tuner that clips on the headstock. All right, let's get down to business. Okay, so here's the tuning of ukulele. This is the first one is a G note. Now notice on my ukulele right here, it says 440. That's what your tuner is supposed to say. I think it's a horrible design flaw that they will make tuners that you can change the hertz on it. You can change it to 432, 434, you can change it to different settings, and it makes the tuner tune differently. So it messes it up. So sorry about that. That happens, and you want it to be at 440, and I think it's a design flaw in tuners. So this first note's a G note. Notice, so G is going to be the string closest to you. Here's closest to the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the one that's tuned an octave higher on a lot of ukuleles. Okay, so that's supposed to be a G note. See me turning it? Okay, that's too high. Tuners go in alphabetical order. If I keep going down, see how it says F sharp? See the little tic-tac-toe sign up there? It's really little after the F. That means F sharp. That's between F and G. It's not a hashtag. It's a sharp sign. If I keep going down, there's F. Okay, this has to be G. Tuners go in alphabetical order. So green means too low. Red means too high, but I need to keep going up. There's G, but I'm too low. There's G. Perfectly in tune G with my little tuner. This is a really old tuner. I've had it for years and years and years. I don't even know if you can buy this model anymore. But they all work basically the same. The app on your phone works the same too. Okay, here's the next one. This is C. Notice my C is a little bit too high. Turning it up. Now I'm way too high. See that? Go back down. Oh, now I'm too low. I just keep hitting and turning. Hitting and turning. I got my hand on the turning knob now. You can't see it because the tuner's in the way. But I got my hand on here, turning it. I keep picking the string and turning it. And get it in the center. Okay? This next one is an E note. I'm a little too high, a little bit too low. There we go. E. Perfectly in tune E. This is A. It's a little bit too high. I'm going to go back up. There we go. Oh, a little high. A. Okay. So again, on a ukulele, the string, that's 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. The number 4 string is called a G. Number 3 string is C. Number 2 string is E. Number 1 string is A. See how it bounces high? That's kind of typical. I'm hitting it kind of hard. There's A. A is closest to the floor. That's A. And that's how you tune your ukulele with an electronic tuner.